that warm and humid flow, which is right in here. We go ahead a couple more scans, and you see it's kind of falling behind. So there's still some evidence of rotation, but it's definitely detached from the warm and humid flow, which is right in there, because the cooler air has kind of taken over. It's caught up to the tornado and is overtaking it. So we call that gusting out. And that appears to be what's going on right now. So that helps to mitigate the threat, which is not to say that it's over, because storms can do what we call cycle, and they can once again get into an environment that's more favorable for a tornado. So just tracking what is left of that out, that is going to come right across Mobile Bay here next few minutes, and then it's going to move into Spanish Fort and towards Bromley as well. So we'll continue to keep a very close eye on that storm as it's moving farther northeast. Molly?
Well, we want to take you live to Atlanta right now, where, of course, you're anticipating the storms. And check out this camera shaking because the wind, it's pretty strong. And this evening, gusting to 36 right now, and it's very warm out there. I do want to take note, though, real quick, that just to the north of Atlanta, into portions of North Georgia and up into Tennessee, there's actually a brand new severe thunderstorm watch that goes until 5 a.m. Eastern time. So North Georgia mountains, that area, it does not include the city of Atlanta. One reason why the tornado warning, tornado watch was not actually extended into portions of Georgia and Tennessee is this reason right here. And that's the fact that we are really lacking the instability in eastern Tennessee as well as into Georgia. You'll notice this is the yellow colors that we're watching kind of on overlaid on the radar. That is the instability. And this is good news that we don't have that present in areas like Georgia up into eastern Tennessee, because it's really going to help bring down the threat through the overnight hours. There's still a threat, but it's just going to bring it down just a little bit. Here's the timing. Of course, moving through Birmingham, moving through portions of Alabama. This is as we get into 3 a.m. So the Florida Panhandle, Pensacola, we're talking to you. This is going to be a rocky overnight and very noisy overnight as this line pushes through, because we will see the instability still remaining in places of the Florida Panhandle. And then we take you to 4 a.m. This is passing through Atlanta. This is moving into areas like Albany and approaching Albany, Tallahassee. This is just a little bit of a ways away from you. That's moving into Tallahassee by around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, eventually into Asheville, pushing out of Atlanta, and then now into portions of eastern and portions of Florida, Tallahassee included in that. Here's the timing for you, southern Georgia, Tallahassee, over into Florida. We will see this line hold together. That is a fierce line moving through Jacksonville, approaching the Tampa and the Tampa Bay area. Then it starts to fizzle out by the time we get to Friday morning. Real quick, I want to make one last stop here at the threats that we're expecting for the mid-Atlantic tomorrow. And this does include Washington, D.C., as well as Harrisburg, up into the Richmond area. Mainly a damaging straight